Daddy. This is my car.
Okay.
So this is like a good, like my favorite one. At least that's my dad. This
Oh,
is,
that's
I
nice.
like this.
Captain America.
Yeah. And this one is
What's that?
kind of good. I like it.
Oh, the Spider-Man. What's that? A
I
Batman?
think this is Batman. This is
Which one?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man?
Wait.
You see? Hurry up.
Yeah, this is Spider-Man.
Oh yeah, the blue one. What's the blue
You
one?
can tell this is Spider-Man because see,
Yeah.
it's a spider.
How about that one?
This one.
No, the blue. The light blue. Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
I think this
looks
is
like...
a villain car.
Huh?
And not a villain car.
Oh. Okay.
So yeah, bye guys. See ya.
Spider-Man. Your shirt is
That's
Spider-Man too.
that's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
Okay. That's 1 minute.
See you tomorrow.
Okay.